Hi everyone, here's how to install Cwicly on WordPress. Go to your Cwicly.com dashboard. Navigate to your order details and look for the Download Cwicly section. There, you will find the links to download the Cwicly plugin and theme files. Head over to your WordPress installation. Navigate to the Plugins menu and select Installed Plugins. From there, click on Add New and upload the Cwicly plugin file you downloaded earlier from the Cwicly.com dashboard. Select Install Now and activate it. Then, navigate to the Appearances menu and select Themes. Click on Add New, Upload Theme, and choose the Cwicly theme file you downloaded from the Cwicly.com dashboard. Select Install Now and activate it. Now you have Cwicly installed on your WordPress installation.